Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we have some speed cubes. Let's go ahead and open them. So guys, here's what's in. Alright, let me speed cube. Let's go ahead and open this. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh yeah, we got the 2x2. Sorry, my cat is over there scratching. And guys, of course, we got this cube, the 3x3. I can't wait to test them out. And next of all, we got the pyramids, guys. Let's go ahead and open these. So, okay, I couldn't wait to try the pyramids. Like, really? Hopefully, I could be good at solving this. Oh my god, guys, this is huge. Here we go. Oh, dang. Oh, dang, pyramids. Okay, dang. Guys, now the next thing, we are gonna unbox this cube, the 3x3. Oh, that ripped. I don't want it to rip. So guys, I'm also gonna be bringing my other cubes to compare them to these. So yeah, guys, this is my second 3x3. This is my first pyramid. This is my third 2x2. I always wanted this kind. It's always like, oh, I was supposed to be opening this. Yeah, I'm having some struggles. And my cat is being the loudest as he can be right now. Finally, he's done using the litter box. Oh yeah, this is awesome. This is very awesome. Oh yeah. Dang. Jeez. This is a freaking nice cube, guys. Nice, guys. We also got the pyramids. I can't believe I finally got pyramids. Do these like twist or anything? I think, yeah, this is a very nice cube, really. Let's go ahead and open 2x2. Oh, guys. It's, oh, guys, this is a nice 2x2. This one. Just gonna do this. What the heck? My cat's hissing. Here you go, guys. This is a nice cube. I recommend you get these. Yep, very nice cube. It's like the inside of my other cube. Let me go get my other cubes, and I will compare them to these. Alright guys, so I have all my cubes lined up. I got the pyramids, everything. Each time I show y'all guys, I'm gonna turn it. So we got the pyramids and everything. Pretty cool. Yep, it's very smooth pyramids. Next, we have I had this thing for a long time. This is my oldest cube. Yep. So now we have this one. This is the new one. Damn, guys, this is so nice. Okay. Now we have my 2x2 that I did. We'll try which I had for a while. Not for a while, but I at least had it for, how long? Maybe about, a month, or maybe like 5 weeks. No, not 5 weeks, maybe like 3 weeks ago or something like that, because I had this for. Next, we have this. Guys, it's dirty. Yeah, yeah, these are stickerless. Yeah, those are stickerless. So this one. Stickerless, that's what I was saying. Stickerless. So look, we got this, one, everything. Pretty cool cube. The 2x2, yep. It's, and guys, this is, the same brand as, okay, so, yeah, these are the same brand as this one, this 2x2, and the Pyraminx. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I want to see if these can the caps come off. Oh yeah, guys, they can. That's the inside of that one. Could turn corners. I don't think these that this brand of Rubik's Cube turns corners. This one's supposed to. Like you see. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe you could just do that. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try to solve it. I put it back in there. Then I'm gonna be showing you so what's this? Okay. So now guys, next we have the Rubik's brand 2x2. I am gonna be getting a Rubik's brand 3x3. But guys, we have this it's the Rubik's brand 2x2. Now guys, some cubers hate the Rubik's brand. Like, not, did I say YouTubers or cubers? Some cubers, they do not like the Rubik's brand. I do not know why. Like, why? This was the first one to come out, so I can actually kind of do it fast. Next off, we have this cube. It's a small, it comes with the keychain, yeah, sometimes I would say it wrong. It comes out, and it is pretty cool. Check it off. See guys, and then the keychain. And then you can just screw it back on. But guys, the thing is, it does have stickers, but it's fine. I have to screw this on, because I do not want to lose the keychain. There we go. So that's all my cubes. So, now guys, I am going to say this is smoother than that. Let me finish this. This one is smoother than this 2x2. But I am going to say that this one is smoother than the Rubik's brand. Now guys, the worst turning cube would probably be this one, but I still love it. It's like a... And, but yeah, this is, I have like pretty much a lot of the same brand, guys. See? So, this is the same brand as this. This is the same brand as this. And this is the same brand as this. Yep. So yeah, pretty cool. So I lined them up. It's from biggest to smallest. Okay. Jeez. Okay, so I have that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, guys, probably couldn't see there. So I'm gonna try to do a quick solve on this. Guys, this is definitely probably gonna be a while. I never had a pyramids before, so I'm definitely kind of new at it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, see you next time. Hopefully you enjoyed. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And don't forget to comment for a shout out and subscribe if you're new, and yeah, like every single video. And thanks for watching. Yeah, peace out.